Hello and welcome back to the channel, Queen's Life Beauties. I'm back with another video, and on today I'm just going to be doing a braided hairstyle on locks. So you guys, if you want to see how I do it, go ahead and continue to watch. And yes, you see me taking out the clips. I've already did his lock maintenance and set him under the dryer so his locks could set. And I want to go ahead and let you guys know a little bit about this client. I've been doing his locks for about a year and a half now. I started his lock journey for him, and I always ask him, say, you want to get a lock style today? He said, no ma'am, I want to wait till my locks get a little bit longer. And so on today he did surprise me and asked me if I could go ahead and give him this lock style, and that is what I'm doing right now. Enjoy the video.
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam.
that's the end of the braid lock style. I'm going to take some of this setting lotion and wrap him up really good and set him up under the dryer for his locks to set and any other flyaways to go ahead and lay down. And I'm gonna go ahead and also clean up his edges a little bit as well with my trimmer. This is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in on today. I want you to have a great day and a blessed week ahead.